Today we're going to Soma Craft Cidery and farm with the kids, where they have petting area for the animals. They also even have a bed and breakfast kind of farm inn, and then a tasting room for cider.
旁边就是樱桃树，环境超级好的 Southeast Kelowna， 有很多的旅游景点，可以周末呢就陪小朋友过来玩。像到我们家只有10分钟的路程，就特别方便。哦，多好的日子呀！懒懒的在这儿晒个太阳。哦嗨，他要一点，他要一点。啊
He's so fluffy.
环境很好的酒庄，它是酿造果酒 cider， 还有很多的野餐桌，可以带上自己喜欢吃的食物，在这里聚餐。这个旁边都是它的果园，苹果。花了重金打造的酒庄，看看这个水泥柱子和所有的原木，都是真金白银啊！Sure. One share is good. Yeah. 那么在这边的商店里面呢，也可以看到他们的果酒，所以他们有卖原产的 organic 的果汁 ，apple chips 苹果片。如果你是不能喝酒精的，他们也有 sparkling apple juice 苹果的气泡酒。
Oh, it's just for me. She can have some of mine. I could have made one of these things.
怎么样？
Yummy. Yeah.
好喝吗？对，这是真正的苹果汁。
First one here is the apple cider. This is the base flavor that all the other ones are built off of. On its own, it's very fresh, very refreshing, a nice crisp drink, perfect for a really hot day. All of our ciders are made without any added sugar. They're all gluten-free. They have no artificial flavoring, so it's a nice little healthy cider. It makes you feel good. The next one we have here is our oak age. So this is aged in American oak. It gives it a nice buttery feel to it, nice and creamy. It has vanilla notes in it, coconut notes. A lot of whiskey, bourbon, and Chardonnay drinkers love this one. Next here we have the hopped apple cider. So this is 2 types of hops, the same way that beer has hops. Personally, I don't really like hoppy beer because I find it too bitter. I love this because it's the perfect marriage of an apple cider and hops. So you get the best of both worlds with the natural sweetness of our apple cider, really complementing the hops. And the final one is a raspberry basil. I love the pink color, but the flavor is even better. We call this one a liquid dessert pizza. Sounds weird, but when you taste it, it's so delicious. So the first taste, you get a really nice sweet mouthful, very fruity. And then afterwards, it kind of cuts in with the basil aftertaste. So you get like a nice earthy kind of feel. So it's just overall a great cider. This one's my favorite here. So you guys are free to taste it.
然后第二种呢是 oak aged apple cider. Oh, this one's really good. 这个有一点那个葡萄酒的味道了。 And hopped apple cider. It's like a beer. 有啤酒花的味道在里面。Raspberry basil. Oh, that's my favorite. Yeah. So you want more apple juice? 你说我要苹果汁。Daddy's boy.
Apples would go through, and the cloth would wipe on the apples.
原始的榨汁机，老古董了。So expensive to build this place. It's all polished concrete floor. So pretty, guys.
They have photos.
，It's a great wedding place. 都是老玩意儿。我知道很多人喜欢收集这些瓶瓶罐罐的，他们的装修也超级有氛围。Is this the restaurant? Oh. 哇，那么除了是一个酒庄，有羊驼，在它的2楼呢还有10间酒店，就是那个小套间。Yeah. 好喝的果酒都是从这里生产出来的。舒适悠闲的周日。哦，哈哈哈哈